Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assess. Today's guide video I'm gonna show you how to get into My Eyes Only on Snapchat application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service and make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now open the Snapchat application. Now on the home page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the icon which is on the lower left corner. So next on the other page, you will land inside memories, and on the search bar you can see a different options. Now from here, what you have to do is just swipe towards your left side, and right in the corner there you can see My Eyes Only. Just tap on it. Now without entering the passcode, you will not be able to access the information from My Eyes Only. Now in order to access information or photos from My Eyes Only, you'll have to enter the passcode, and only then you'll be able to access the information. What you can do is, other than that, just simply tap on the option icon which is right in the bottom on the right side. Now as soon as I tap on the options icon, there you can see there are two different options, that is Change Passcode and Forgot Passcode. So in case if you want to change the passcode, so you can tap on Change Passcode. Now without entering the current passcode, you'll not be able to change your passcode. And what you can do is, other than that, just tap on Forgot Passcode. Now on the other page, you have to enter the password that is linked with your Snapchat account, and then tap on next, and then they'll send you a verification code, or they'll allow you to reset your password. And that is how you can get into My Eyes Only on Snapchat without passcode. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.